check out all this stuff. That's so much stuff. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria Leone. I'm so excited for today. I'm excited for all these videos, but especially when I've been waiting a long time to receive some things so I can do an unboxing for you guys. I'm just like, I cannot wait. So we have four different welcome baby boxes. One of them technically was $10. The rest of them were free. Hello.
Well, hello.
Hi. What's
How's
up?
it going?
Good. I'm actually filming a video right now, so I can't
I
really
will
talk,
let you know.
but
We'll be back later with what you think about the new Taylor Swift.
ooh, I do want to talk about that.
Yeah, have fun filming your video.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Anyways, I have four boxes. So yeah, one of them cost money. Technically, actually it was free, but it was $10 for shipping. At first I wasn't gonna do that, but I heard from enough people that it was supposedly the best welcome box, and so I decided to splurge because we need to find out if that's true, you know? This little bag is actually from Target, which, how cute is this bag? And you know, it's so fun is I'm actually having a boy, baby Connor. I have it right back here. I'm due November 15th, so I wrote that on my little board. So I love that it's blue, not that it really matters that much, but I just think that's fun. And then we have the one from Babylist, which is the $10 one. We have one from Walmart, which I do want to walk you guys through because that one was so frustrating. It took probably like 15 minutes to figure out how to order this box. I almost gave up. I even YouTubed it with no answer until I accidentally stumbled upon the form to fill out so they can send it to you. It is completely free, all that stuff. I don't know, it was a little sneaky the way that they did it just because it was so hard to find. And then Amazon is the last one, and with that one you do have to make a $10 purchase on your registry. What I did is just added something that I was gonna buy anyways and then bought it through my registry, so then it qualified as, you know, minimum $10 purchase, and the welcome box came soon after that. If you want, you can just wait until someone buys something off your registry for you. Totally up to you, but that is how you get their welcome box. So out of breath today. Okay, I don't know which one. I think I want to open the Target bag first. I've been so excited. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. That would just be amazing. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook too if you want. And I just signed up for Like to Know It. So I've been posting like styles and stuff, and I have been posting some of my favorite maternity items on there too. But I'm super, super excited. So if you guys would like to follow me in any of those places and subscribe on here, that'd be amazing. And comment down below which box you liked. I always love hearing from you guys to get different point of views, but we're gonna find out hopefully today which one has the best items. I mean, they're all free, so I still would recommend just do all of them. Just do as many as you can, because why not? Congratulations if you're a new expecting mom or just an expecting mom too. So exciting. Okay, so first up, this is the Target one. Now with this one, when you sign up on your registry, you do have to go in the store and they scan like a little code. You pull up your registry on your phone and they scan like a little code, so then that way Target knows like you claimed your bag. Ooh, this is a good bottle. Dr. Brown's. This is one of the most popular bottles. I'm not super knowledgeable on all the things. Trust me, I still have so much more to learn. It's just a whole new language, but I have heard of Dr. Brown's and I do know that this is a good bottle. And this is a decent size too. How handy. Oh. And a little bottle of Aveeno baby lotion. How nice. This is just a small one, so it's just 1 fluid ounces, but hey, this would be great for traveling, you know? Ooh, another bottle. I like that they give variety. I didn't realize, honestly, until a couple months ago how babies are picky with like the nipples on the bottle, which completely makes sense. I don't know, it's just one of those things that you don't even think about until you're expecting or have a baby, and then you're just like, oh my gosh, you guys, there's a pacifier in here too. Stop it. Oh my goodness. As I drop it on the floor. This is adorable. It's so little. I'm so excited for Connor to be born. And then a perfect just little bottle, and it matches, so those two things kind of go together. This is our first white onesie. A little Carter's onesie even. Oh my gosh, that's a good brand. And it's a 3-month one. It's almost like they know that people are gonna gift you mostly newborn stuff. So they're like, here, we'll give you something for 3 months. Cute. Ooh, and then we have some wipes. Some Honest wipes, pack of 10. Again, Nice thing for the diaper bag. Some boogie wipes. And then we have some littler samples. So this is just like a super tiny sample of Aquaphor. It's healing ointment for dry or chapped, irritated skin. Protect your baby's skin from cheek to cheek. I'm guessing they also mean butt cheeks. And then we also have some, breast milk storage bags. That is so awesome. 2 breast milk storage bags and then 2 nursing pads. There's like so much stuff in here. A little sample of newborn wash and shampoo from Johnson's. The biggest thing in here is this huge Pampers. This I think is a changing pad. This pattern is so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's even more stuff from Pampers. There's a coupon maybe we'll be using. I don't know. I guess it depends. It expires on October 31st, but it's $5 off a big package of Pampers. There's a whole bunch more coupons in here too. So I'm definitely going to be keeping these. You never know. Some more wipes and a diaper. This is actually our first diaper. I don't know what size this is, so I guess it'll be a guessing game. Here is the little changing pad. That's like a nice size. We're not even done. Last thing we have, Pedialyte. That's actually super nice. We have a little sample of Pedialyte in there. We also have this little thing that has like, it says there's a $100 value and you can scan it to get some coupons. I'm gonna keep this too. That was everything in the Target one. That seems pretty sweet to me. I especially like the Carter onesie and like the Dr. Brown's water bottle. All that stuff is super awesome. Let's do the Walmart one next. It says knock knock. Who's here? And then it just opens up. Ooh, they've got some sweet stuff in here. Oh, those are diapers. Oh, okay. I was like, look at all those wipes. That's a lot of wipes. But this is a lot of wipes. So you have 3 diapers in here and 16 wipes. Let's see, what is this? Another pacifier. Cute. This is from Nano Baby and 2 breast pads and 1, 2, 3 milk bags. We have some Baby Dove tip to toe wash and then Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo, as well as Johnson's newborn face and body lotion. There's also some oatmeal, some Gerber oatmeal. This is the first baby food that we have. Oh, sweet! From that same brand from Target, the Lansino. So the 2 breast milk storage bags and then the 2 disposable nursing pads. We have the same bottle. Hopefully Connor likes these bottles. Again, there's the little pacifier inside. We got a different kind of water bottle. Could be for water. Baby bottle. This one is by the brand Playtex. What is that? This is new to me. It has these like plastic squishy things that tie around at the top. I don't know. It's an interesting baby bottle. There's a little sample of shampoo and body wash from the brand Weleda. We have that same Aquaphor treatment. Oh, this is cool. Art of Feeding booklet. It tells you some like guides and your baby might not be latching on properly if like these things are happening. It has actual pictures of the best breastfeeding positions. This is really cool. So that's definitely super handy for me, especially being a first-time mom. What is this? Oh, that's so thoughtful. I actually don't have anything like this, but it has like 1-month-old cards. So you can put like baby on a blanket and have these next to them. Cute. Thanks, Walmart. I love how it comes with 2 different sets of the milk freezer bags. And we have 2 pacifiers in this one. We have a little bit more wipes in this one. Okay, so that's the Walmart one. Okay, so next one is Amazon. Here's what it looks like when you open it. This one I've held on for like 2 months, you guys, because the Babylist one took so long to get here. There's a little onesie in this one too. Right off the bat, just really quick, the same Aquaphor ointment. This one comes with newborn laundry detergent. So nice. The same Aveeno baby lotion that we got in the Target one. Oh my gosh, that same bottle. We have 3 of these now. Oh my gosh. So then we have another pacifier too. Okay, but seriously, the pacifiers, I know, I'm sure they'll probably get lost, you know, all the things. So I don't feel like you can have too many pacifiers, but just hopefully he likes them. And then here's the little onesie. Another one from Carter's. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Carter's, for gifting some clothes in these. That's so thoughtful. It's adorable. This one is a 3 to 6 month one. How perfect. Thank you so much. I like saying thank you. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, I think Amazon has been bumped up to first place. They sent a swaddle, a muslin swaddle blanket. And you know what? I love that they have a whole little like theme going on. Look how cute, you guys. And those match so good. All right, moms, you definitely need to get your Amazon box for sure. Get all the boxes. This is huge. Oof. A little dusty. Little like zebras all over it. And that's not all. Have another water bottle. Baby bottle. I keep saying water bottle. Super simple. It has like a nice little color scheme on it. This is from the brand Nuke. So it has anti-colic air system, it says. Oh my gosh. It changes color when the milk is too hot. How cool is that? The last thing, a whole like little Huggies wipe pack. Yep. Amazon takes first place for sure. Way to go, Amazon. That's some good stuff. All right, did we save best for last? This is the baby list one. If you have a Bye Bye Baby near you, they also have supposedly a really good welcome box as well. We don't have one by us, and it's pickup in store only, just like with Target. Unfortunately, I couldn't get that one, but if you do have a Bye Bye Baby by you, then go get that one for sure. All right, here's the baby list one. This one comes with a little card too, but this says, today I am 1 year old. And you get to put a date on a bag. That is so darling. There's this brand called Hello Yummy, or just Yummy. They included a little like gift card in here for $35. It's for fresh organic baby food service. I probably won't use this. I'm not really one for food services. I did try like a smoothie thing that was sent to me earlier this year, and that was really fun. But I'm kind of a do-it-yourselfer, so I probably won't be using this, but I might check it out and see how much it is. And then we have another Pampers changing pad. It's exactly the same. And then we have all these goodies. Ooh, this one comes with something extra with the laundry detergent. So now we have 2 of the laundry detergents. We have the diaper, the little package of wipes, and then more coupons. It doesn't hurt to have 2 of these for sure. We have a little toy. This is the Lamaze Blushing Blossom Mini Clip and Go. This seems pretty versatile. You could probably clip it, I don't know, car seat maybe? You could probably clip it on. I'm sure you could probably use this in a lot of different ways. Another of the Nano Baby kits. So we know we have a pacifier in here. I actually prefer this pacifier over the other one for some reason. I don't know why, but who knows what baby's gonna prefer. And then we have the breast milk storage bags. It says there's actually a coupon booklet in here too, and then the nursing pads as well. We have a acid and indigestion relief pill. I don't know if I'll use this. I'll have to definitely look this up and research it a little bit more and see kind of how you use it. I definitely want to make sure that I know what I'm giving my babies. So, but I'm going to do more research on this one. Another Johnson's Newborn face and body wash. Oh, okay. Awesome. This is something we didn't get in the other ones. This is nipple cream. There's also a coupon for a toy to Target, and then another one of these packages. Totally love this. Love that there's breast pads and the storage milk pouches. A little wipe. Then the last thing is another pacifier. I have to be completely honest, this is not worth $10. I would rather pay $10 for the Amazon one than pay $10 for this. Super disappointed. Technically this was free though, you guys, and the $9.99 and dollars, I rounded up a penny, was for shipping. Technically this is still just like a free box, but I don't think it's worth $10 shipping at all. That's okay, I'm still super pumped for all these extra things that we got in here. We got 2 pacifiers, a little toy, laundry detergent, the wipes, the pad, the diaper. There's a lot in here. I would say this baby list one is probably comparable to Walmart's one. I would say the best one is definitely Amazon. Amazon's just awesome. And then probably Target, then probably Baby List, and then Walmart. Actually, maybe Baby List last even, since it cost $10 and all the other ones were free. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Definitely so much fun to start collecting stuff for baby. I'm loving seeing little clothes in the closet and baby bottles in the pantry and all the things. It's just like, cannot wait for him to get here. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Facebook if you want, follow me on Like to Know It. That would be amazing. I'm just loving watching my channel grow. I have so much fun with these videos, so I really hope you guys enjoy them as well. If there's anything specific that you want to see or talk about or something like that, let me know. I always appreciate the feedback and the ideas. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mwah. I wanted to tell you guys I just scanned the little Target baby deals scan, and it's not just for baby. It's so cool. I just scanned it with the app, and you have like all these categories on the app. Like there's even one where you can get 50% off a sandwich through Starbucks when you buy a drink. That's just one example. But the baby category, you get like 20% off all baby toiletries from Honest Beauty. Definitely scan that. Don't skip out on scanning that. I wanted to share that with you before we left.